Go to the embassy. And you will see the most unruly Jamaicans where walk around and tell you about your mother every day. Go to the embassy. And when you go there and see, are the most disciplined Jamaicans them ever. Go to the embassy and see how Jamaicans act and carry themselves upright and intelligent and yes sir, good morning, how is your day? The same Jamaican will tell you about your mother just now and tell the police about his mother. Go to the embassy and see how them deal with the people them in there. Because why? They know when to react certain way. The hypocrisy, it needs to call out. Remember me tell you, I'm not defend no man will abuse no man. Any man will abuse woman, beat woman, black and blue woman yai. When is a weak, insecure man. As long as you just get up and beat woman, so I don't care who you want to be. You're a weak because first and foremost, man are the bigger one. And if a woman, that's what I always say, woman, keep your hand on your side. If a man have to defend himself,